Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, today I went over to my good friends over at R&R Auto over in Litchfield. And I picked up a 8.8 rear for this. So we're going to take the Dana 60 out. That might go into, if I do a LeBaron or something else, that might go into there. It might go up for sale. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But, because I like to save that for something better. You know, this thing don't need to go drag racing. So I want to just put an 8.8 rear end in it and have over it, you know. Because in the meanwhile, we got the 33 Plymouth going here. But I got to get rid of some of the stuff out of here. It's starting to add up. But the cardboard was from the cardboard template that I made for the roof yesterday. But yeah, so anyway, I'll show you the rear. Bought it from my good friends over there, and Jake, Beth, and Gerard over at R&R Auto. And all those guys over at Litchfield Auto Recycling and R&R Auto, they're good people. If you guys need parts, go see them. They're located in Litchfield, Minnesota. So I purchased the rear end from them, 8.8 410 locker. So I'll show you this here. But anyway, so here she is. So I got to clean this up now, and it's got 10-inch brakes, but looks like 2.5 maybe. So it's 8.8 rear. Got to clean all this junk off of it that I don't need. And yeah, it's too bad they cut the brake cables, but hey, that's the business they're in. So anyway, no harm done. But anyway, yeah, so we got to clean this thing up, paint it. Maybe we'll put some new fluid in it, and we might have to go with a chrome cover. This chrome will get you home. And then new brakes. We'll look at the axle end seals. Looks like nothing's leaking, so that's good. You know, I don't see any leakage here or anything. Even the cover ain't leaking. But yeah, it's a 410 locker or whatever, so yeah, that should be. That's what it said in the ad. Yeah. But yeah, so anyway, here we go. 2004 410s. And they all, okay, yep, perfect. So anyway, yeah, so this will go into there, and then what we're gonna do though here, guys. Wanna come in, puppy? Go hard. Just wait right there, sweetie. Give me 2 minutes. So what we're gonna do to this thing is I need to lower it. You know, it's too high in the back. It's way too high. So that means those fenders have to be raised up. So fenders have to go up. I'm probably gonna put some this piece of cardboard in here. Oh, I can't see nothing now, but I'm gonna be putting some little wheel tubs probably in here. So it's gonna be some work to get her to lower, but it'll look a lot better. And then I'll be able to run some wider tires on the back, and I want to have this thing super dependable. So yeah, so that's the game plan. Lower the truck. Got to raise the fenders and everything then. And then put that 8.8 locker in there. And then, yeah. It has 410s in it now with the Dana. And then I got overdrive in it and stuff like that. So yeah, this will be our latest project too again. So we'll be doing this while we're doing this one. And yeah, So, okay. I guess that's all I got for right now. So, won't video wire brushing the rear end off or nothing like that. You know, that doesn't pay to video all that. So, just wire brushing rust, cleaning it up. We'll give her a coat of paint. There's the star of the show again. She's tied up right now currently. She can't talk. Yeah, just give me a minute there, sweetheart. But I guess that's all we know for right now. But anyway, please like and subscribe, guys. Lots of project of putting that rear end in there and in the WC. Red Dog, I call it Red Dog. It's an old army truck. And you guys, I guess we'll talk to you later. There's nothing else to say, even I can't even think of nothing. So please like and subscribe, guys, and have a wonderful day. And have a good Thanksgiving, by the way. Let's give thanks for what we got. So take care, guys, gals. Bye-bye.